Wait a second, before you think about throwing away your old laptop or buying a new computer just to run Windows 11, take a look at this. This is a 10 years old PC and it's running the latest Windows 11 25H2 update perfectly. No TPM, no Secure Boot and no hardware restriction. But when most people try to install Windows 11 on an older computer, they usually see this frustrating message. This PC can't run Windows 11. And in 2026, Microsoft has made it even harder to bypass this requirement. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you the latest Rufus method that lets you install Windows 11 on unsupported PC in just a few clicks. Open any browser on your PC and search for Windows 11 download. And make sure you open the official Microsoft website, okay? Next, scroll down until you see the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Here, click on the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click on Confirm. Now choose your product language. After that, click on Confirm again. Next, click on 64-bit download. And as you can see, the download will start. The file size is around 7.2 GB, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the Windows 11 ISO file is downloaded, we now need to create a bootable USB drive. But instead of using the normal method, we are going to use a tool called Rufus, which allows us to bypass the TPM and Secure Boot requirements automatically. So now let's download Rufus and create the bootable USB. So open your web browser again and search for Rufus download. Open the official Rufus websites and scroll down a little and you will find the latest Rufus version 4.13 available. Just click to download it. Once the file is downloaded, simply open it. You don't need to install Rufus, okay? It runs directly as a portable tool. Here you need one USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. And remember that all data inside the USB drive will be erased during this process. So now insert your USB drive into the computer. And here you can see Rufus will automatically detect my 64 GB USB drive. Now look for the boot section and click on select button. Next, browse to the location where you download the Windows 11 ISO file. Then select the ISO file and click open. Once this is done, Rufus will automatically load the Windows installation settings. Under image option, keep it as standard Windows installation. Here you will see the partition scheme options. Since I am creating this bootable USB to install Windows 11 on my old PC that uses legacy BIOS, so I am going to select MBR here. If your computer supports UEFI, then you can select GPT instead, okay? Now look at the volume level sections. You can keep the default name or you can change it if you want. For example, you can type like Windows 11. Now click on Start button. At this moment, Rufus will show a special Windows customization window. Here, you will see several options. So make sure the following options are checked, like remove requirements of 4 GB RAM, Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Remove requirement for online Microsoft account, disable data collection, disable BitLocker. These options allow Windows 11 to install on older or unsupported computer, okay? Once you confirm these settings, click OK. Then one warning message will appear that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed during this process. So just simply click on OK to continue. Then Rufus will now start creating the bootable USB drive. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait until the progress bar reaches 100%. Once finished, you will see the ready button. So just click on close and your Windows 11 bootable USB is ready. Now I am going to move to my old PC where I want to install Windows 11, okay? First plug in the bootable USB drive that we just created. Once the USB drive is connected, then you need to restart the computer. While the PC is starting up, press the boot menu key on your keyboard. So depending on your computer brand, this key may be F12, F9, Escape or F10. When the boot menu appears, select the USB flash drive and press enter. Then you will see press any key to boot from the USB and your computer will now boot into the Windows 11 setup screen. Now you will see the Windows 11 setup window. First select your language and time and currency format. Then click next. Then select your keyboard setting and click on next. Now the Windows setup screen will appear. Here you will see the select setup option section. From here I am going to select install Windows 11. Just below that you will see a checkbox that says I agree that everything will be deleted including files, apps and settings. Then click on next. Now on the next screen it will ask for the product key. If you don't have a product key right now, simply click on I don't have a product key. Next you will see a list of Windows edition. Here you need to select the version you want to install. In my case I am going to select Windows 11 Pro. Then click on next. Now you will see the notice and license terms page. Then check I accept the license terms and click next. After a few seconds you will see the screen that asks where do you want to install Windows 11. Here you will see all the existing drives and partition on your computer. Since I want a completely fresh setup, I am going to delete and format all the existing partition. Then I will create one single drive where Windows 11 will be installed. Once that is done, select the final partition where you want to install Windows. Then click on next. Now the ready to install page will appear. Here you can review the options you selected such as install Windows 11 and keep nothing. If everything looks correct, then click on install. And now the Windows 11 installation will begin. You will see the installation progress with a percentage indicator, and your computer may restart a few times during this process, so just wait until the installation completes. Depending on your system speed, this step may take some time, so just let the process finish. Once the installation is complete, you will need to finish the initial Windows setup. You just simply follow the on-screen instruction and continue with the setup. After everything is done, it will finally take you to the Windows 11 desktop. And that means you have successfully booted into Windows 11 even though your PC originally showed the unsupported hardware message. Now let's quickly confirm the Windows version. So press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, and in the run box type WinVer and press enter. A small window will appear. Here you should see a Windows 11 along with the latest version number 25H2. That means your Windows 11 upgrade was successful. So today we learned how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC using Rufus and bypass the TPM and Secure Boot requirements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more simple and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.